My name is Ben Moerman. I'm the franchise owner for Southern Alberta, which includes Calgary, Red Deer, Lethbridge, Medicine Hat, and we do a lot of work in surrounding communities as well. New Creation Southern Alberta specializes in siding repair, window repair, fencing, really anything plastic that's punctured by hail. There's a good chance we can repair it. The benefit of repairing is that we can blend it flawlessly into the surrounding material. Color matching is a big part of what our techs are trained to do. Everything is done custom on site. I think for an increasingly environmentally conscious society, I think repair is a no-brainer when it comes to just the massive amounts of waste that end up in landfills as a result of a hailstorm like we've recently seen here in Calgary. The products that we use specifically for these repairs are designed to withstand the elements and to expand and contract and just be able to stand up to the variance in temperatures that we see here on the Canadian prairies. For any insurance companies or exterior companies, restoration companies that haven't worked with New Creation before, we just invite you to reach out to us. We'd love to work with you and represent you well to your clients.